Alright, so you made it to the pants lesson. So for today's lesson we're actually going to go down on my floor here, as unfortunately the pants are too big for my nice coffee table. So yeah, I'm going to show you two ways that you can fold your pants. One of the ways does tend to create a little bit more wrinkles, but it's really nice to keep your joggers, stretchy jeans, that type of thing, nice and compact. You can throw it around all you want, no problem. The second method that I want to show you is one that is better for your think slacks and more chinos, maybe some stiff jeans like these raw ones here. It's also a simpler roll, so it does unravel a lot easier. Unfortunately, you cannot stack them vertically very easily, but they do compact nicely down just being rolled like this. So yeah, I think we're going to start with this more simple methods that you can use for your more wrinkle-prone pants. And then we'll move on to my favorite rolling method in this entire course. So welcome to my newly vacuumed floor here. I'm going to start out by laying the pants down here and pray that I don't get dusty. Alright, so the first thing that we want to do is start with the jeans laying face up like this. And from here we're just going to fold them over in half so that the buttocks of the pants sticks up like this. So at this point you have two options. You can either leave the crotch area here sticking out like this, or you can fold it in like so to create a more straight line. However, for these more crease prone pants, I do like to avoid it, as it will leave a slight crease down the back of one of your legs if you do fold it in like so. So you do sacrifice a little bit in the space department, as you will have a slightly larger roll, but I think that's okay considering the alternative. So I'm going to start out by rolling it from the top with the waistband down. I'm not going to roll it very tightly at all. I'm trying to be as careful and stretch out all the wrinkles down along the way as I roll it, like this. Once you reach the bottom, you can grab hold of the entire roll here. And essentially that's all you have to do for pants like this. Now this travels really well, but it's also nice to keep in your blocks. It's no problem with wrinkles for this fold, like so. The next method that I want to show you is one that works great for more stretchy jeans and things that you're not so worried about getting wrinkles on. So for this fold, I'm going to show you on this pair of joggers. So I'm going to start again with the pants laying down face up like this. After straightening them out nicely, I'm going to again fold it over in half so that the buttocks sticks up. And again, you'll be left with this crotch area sticking out. This is a lot less prevalent on women's pants than it is on men's pants. So if you're a woman, you're very lucky here. However, I'm a man, so I have to deal with this thing. So for these type of pants, I like to fold it in because they're not very wrinkle prone at all. This goes for any type of more stretchy and loose fitting pants. I'd say more casual pants overall. So after I've folded it up here at the crotch area, I'm going to take the top leg here and I'm going to fold it out 90 degrees at the knee, like so. This is pretty similar to how we did the socks, as you can probably tell. So the next step will be to start from the waistband, and we are going to roll up the pant. Now, depending on how tight your pant leg is, you may need to roll it slightly tight. You will have to experiment with your specific pant. However, for these loose-fitting pants, you don't need to roll it tight at all. However, if you have skinny jeans like the ones I am wearing here, you may need to go much tighter on the roll. So once we reach the bottom of the pant here, I am going to grab the entire roll, pull it up like so, dust it up from sitting on the floor. Next, I'm going to take my other hand, just like the socks, I'm going to stick it inside the pant and I'm going to wrap it over the pant. So for pants, once you grab onto the rest of the pant here like this, you want to let go of this hand and help pull it over with this hand like so. And just pull it all the way down. And there you are left with a beautiful little rose here. So again, I'm going to put it back into the block like so. So yeah, go ahead and go through your pants. Remember, if you can get rid of big items like pants, you're gonna save a lot more space in your drawer than you would if you get rid of, say, a pair of socks. So this is something to keep in mind while you go through things like your sweaters, dresses, pants, yeah, big items in general. So, I mean, you can get rid of a lot of socks before you get rid of the equivalent of one pant. So if you have any excess one at the bottom of your drawer that you no longer use, maybe it's time to donate it. Good luck with the work.